Yo YouTube, what is going on? Today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new working method to get free TikTok coins. Now if you don't know guys, basically coins in TikTok are super expensive and you can spend them on promoting yourself and a bunch of other stuff, such as donating to streamers and what have you. And I've managed to find a working method in 2024 to get you unlimited free coins in TikTok. Now it only does take about 5 minutes. I'm going to be recording my mobile phone screen and I'll be putting the recording on the side here so you can follow along. So let's get into it guys. The tutorial is going to be pretty short, but yeah, just make sure you follow all of the instructions. So you need to use your mobile phone, open up an internet browser and go to this website, www.speedyplugin.com. So make sure you type it exactly like this guys to go to Speedy Plugin. So on this website there is a ton of different pages. Go to the search bar at the top of the page, search for TikTok, and you're looking for the TikTok coins adder. Click to download TikTok coins adder to add coins to your balance. This is going to get you unlimited coins guys, so go ahead, click on that, click download, and then you're going to need to just follow the instructions. Pretty easy guys. That's going to get you unlimited coins on TikTok once you fully complete that guys. Yeah, and that is going to save you a bunch of money. So let's just quickly check how much TikTok coins are cost, just to see how much they usually cost. Well, a coin is worth about 1.5 cents, so let's just say you get 1,000 coins. You can calculate that, but you're going to get more than 1,000 guys. So yeah, you can potentially get hundreds of dollars worth of free coins. Super easy. Go to speedyplugin.com, search for the TikTok coins adder. Go ahead, do that guys. Really awesome. This works. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and smash that like button if you got your free coins, and I'll see you in the next video guys. Peace.